Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to apply metal flake, and I'm going to be applying it to this panel. This is an aluminum panel. I'm going to be doing some Lowrider graphics on them, not on this video, but it's going to be in the next video. This one's going to be just how to apply metal flake. Let's begin. %87% of you are not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button. It's free, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Also, only 15% have the notification bell. That means that you don't know when I'm actually uploading the videos. There's been a couple of you guys have emailed me telling me that you didn't get any notification. You need to hit that little bell icon, guys, in order to get that that notification that I just uploaded a video. So this is it, guys. It's free. Press that subscribe button. Help me out. Let's reach that that higher margin of people so we can learn together. First of all, because this is an aluminum piece, I am going to be applying some adhesion promoter just for the paint to stick. This is not this is for show, just to put on the wall. So I'm not going to be applying primer and all that. You would need to apply primer or self-etching primer, but for right now we're just applying some adhesion promoter. Then we're going to come back and start applying that sealer so that we can prepare ourselves for that base. There it is, the sealer. That is the first step that you need to do. I do this step in every car. As you guys have seen, I apply sealer, the very first thing that I do. Now I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and apply a high metallic silver. Why silver? Because the metal flakes are going to be silver. The silver that I'm going to be applying is from Eurocam. Eurocam is called Stellar Silver. This is a high metallic silver, which is perfect for lowrider patterns and metal flakes. So we're going to be applying this. We're going to be applying 3 coats. Here we go. The silver is in the gun. The gun I'm using is the Avalon A60 with a 1.3 tip. So let's just get to it. Start applying 3 coats of silver. Here it is, the first coat. As you can see, it kind of covered in the first coat. Reason being of that gray silver sealer. Now try to get the sealer as close as possible to the color that you're gonna be applying, and you'll waste less paint. Just a little tip right there. But I'm gonna wait about 5-10 minutes for it to dry, come back, apply 2 more coats, and we should be ready for that metal flake. Here it is, 3 coats of the Stellar Silver. Now, this is where the interesting part comes. Let's start applying that metal flake. Now, in order to apply the metal flake, I'm going to be using some inner coat clear or blending clear. I am going to mix it up and mix up the flake. Let me show you how it's done. The metal flakes I'm going to be using is a mix of a 0.008 and 0.0015, and they are from Grant 7 right there. Let me just apply so I can show you how I determine how much metal flake I need. The way I determine how much metal flake I am adding is by this mixing stick. Now, I keep on adding and I pick up the mixing stick, and I don't know if you can tell, as soon as I pick it up, I cannot see the mixing stick. It's real quick. You need to see it because it starts falling back into the cup. But as soon as you don't see the mixing stick on the tip of the stick right there, right? Well, it's too fast, but that's how I determine. As soon as I don't see it, we're good to go. So let's apply it on the paint gun. Now, I am using some disposable cups, and they do have this little mesh that's there. This mesh has to come off. You need to tear this mesh off, because if not, the metal flakes will not pass through there. Now let me show you the gun I'm going to be using to apply the metal flake. The paint gun is from Avalon. Also, it's an A1000 with a 2.0 tip. Now, why am I using a 2.0? Because the metal flake is big, and if you don't use a 2.8 and up, it's gonna clog up. So a 2.0 is perfect for the metal flake, and that is what I use, and that is what I'm going to be using right there. All right, it's ready. Now, if you guys have never applied metal flakes, you're going to be in for a surprise. And not because of the shine or the glitter that it's going to give you, it's because of the mess that it's going to make. But it gives you a really nice finish. So the metal flake is in the gun, and you do need to shake it up once in a while when you're applying it. You're going to see how I'm doing it. Let's begin. Here it is, 3 coats of metal flakes. And I think that's more than enough. So now I'm just gonna let it sit, let it dry for about 15 minutes, then come back, top it off with some clear coat. Now regarding the mess, I hope the camera's picking it up, but there's metal flakes everywhere. Gotta pressure wash this floor before another car comes in. As soon as you finish spraying the metal flake, guys, clean your gun. Clean it, clean it, clean it, because it is gonna clog up. So take some time, clean it up, and you should be good for the next one. This is the first pass of the clear coat. Now, I am gonna be applying 4 coats of clear. Now, why so many? Because I need to come back and sand it clear so that I can do my graphics. So 4 coats of clear. I'm gonna be waiting 10 minutes in between each coat, and we'll be done. And that is how you apply metal flake. You do the same process for a car, for an entire car, which I am going to be doing. I am going to be showing you. But this is the same process. Now let me put the light on. There we go. Hopefully the camera's capturing all the glitter, the glamour, everything. All we gotta do is just wait. I'm gonna wait for about 2 days for it to dry completely, come back, sand it down, and start applying my graphics. And this is going to be it, guys. This is going to be how to apply, or how to apply Metal Flake. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for that lowrider that's coming up. That's going to have a full Metal Flake and graphic paint job. Thank you very much. Like always, stay safe. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. Like always, God bless.